Welcome back to another Buffbunny unboxing first impression video. Okay, this guy is gonna help me unbox this thing. He loves his packages. But yeah, my Buffbunny package is here, so let's open it together. Technically, I've opened it, but let's just pretend that I have not. So this collection is named Strong AF, which is going to be launching August 16th, Saturday at 1 p.m. CST. I have been praying for these shorts in forever, and I'm so freaking happy that they're finally here. This is another collaboration with Bailey, and her Miracle leggings were a hot seller. And I'm so happy that they're coming out with the shorts version. I love the Miracle leggings, and I'm gonna tell you right now that I freaking love these shorts, and it's coming in a lot of different fun colors. So without further ado, let's get to it. I'm looking at the PDF right now, and wow, this collection is coming in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 30 colorways. That's crazy. You have tons of colors to choose from. So that's very exciting. Let me open this packages, boy. Okay. So I love this short so freaking much. I got myself 5 different colors. Lunar blue, we got sage ombre, playa ombre, shadow berry. If you prefer a solid color or ombre color, you have that option. So I'm gonna start with the ones I tried today. This is Miracle shorts in the color lunar blue. I absolutely love this color. So this is the star of the show. This is the star of the collection, the Miracle leggings and the Miracle shorts. And as you can see here, it kind of looks weird because you have that glutes pocket, and it has this double compression here under your glutes, which I absolutely love. So I believe this is 6 inches, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17 colors. Man, I have to get more colors because so much fun colors for this collection. They're going to lift your glutes and give you that juicy, peachy glutes. I wore this at the gym today and it felt comfortable. My confidence level was just next level because very stretchy, super soft and stretchy on your like thigh area and the glute area, but compressive on your waistline and the under glutes. I got the matching sports bra. This is the Wonder Seamless Sports Bra in the size extra small. So this is what it looks like. I haven't tried this top before. When it first came out, I did not get it, but I'm stoked that I got it this time because when I wore this today, I felt kind of like sexy because it's showing my shoulders. I love that it's stretchy and the straps are adjustable. The logo on the back, and it's short line sports bra, which is my favorite. This is the hot pink ombre. All the Miracle shorts I got all the shorts in extra small for your reference. This color is so pretty. I can't believe that I have been into pinks lately. I mean, I've never imagined myself to be, I think I am starting out early. It started out early. Like I love my neutrals. They're my favorite things in the world. But earlier this year, like I started to explore and experiment, try different colors, more brights, and I think I am fully converted. I really love brights now. It makes me excited. Like they're just fun. What? This is so freaking pretty. It's like the perfect pink ombre. Like it's so freaking seamless. Like it's dark here and then it fades into a lighter pink. If you're into pink, you have that. If you're into purple, into blue, into green, you have all that options, which is absolutely amazing. Another fun color is the playa ombre. This color is so gorgeous as well. Oh, it kind of matches my nails. It's so pretty as well, like the perfect fade. Like I'm so impressed. Seeing these colors in brights, like I'm so freaking impressed because it's just like the way how the fabric blends, like it's so seamless. And I think that Bailey and Buffbunny team really did a great job on this one. I have another ombre. This is the sage ombre. If you love neutrals or like muted faded colors, you're gonna love this. This is the look on the back. We got one more short. This is the shadow berry. This is a more solid color. We've seen shadow berry before. It's giving you that grayish purple, muted grayish purple color. Next one, the plunge seamless sports bra in sage ombre. I just really have to get a matching top. This is a sports bra. I've never tried this plunge seamless sports bra before, so this would be interesting. It looks like this. I've seen it in the PDF and it was a little scary because I feel like like the cut on the front is more wide, like open, but this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I have a matching set. I can't wait to wear this in the gym. Okay, these next pieces, I am super excited as well because I have been secretly praying for a long sleeves full length top, and I'm super excited we have them in this launch. So we have two versions of this. We have the seamless long sleeve baby tee, and we have the long sleeve tee, which is a fuller length. I got one color for each. So this is the seamless long sleeve baby tee in ultraviolet. Okay, I'm super excited about this full length top. That means I don't always need to wear sports bra alone. This color is pretty. It kind of looks like a darker version of azul. This is the length. I am 5'4"-ish, so this is right below or exactly on my belly button. So let me open the next one and see, and so we can compare. I'm proud of myself. I'm proud of myself for not getting any black from this collection. I just realized that it's all colors. I'm so proud of myself. So this is what it looks like, and the color Pop Rock. So yeah, this is really full length. Let's compare them both. Okay, I hope you can see, but that is the difference. Well, that's a huge difference. Next one is the Halter Seamless Sports Bra in Candy Floss Ombre. This might be a new color, right? I've never heard this before. But it's so pretty. It's giving me mermaid color. It's giving me mermaid vibe. I love it. Look at this. It's so freaking pretty. So essentially, you get to mix and match and pair it with 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 different colors. I actually got the matching Miracle leggings. It's on its way. If you want to see me pair this with the legging, follow me on Instagram. Okay, I've got 2 more pieces, a matching set. This is the Aggressive Scrunch Short in 7-inch. This is in Atari. I love the color Atari, and I love the Aggressive Scrunch Short. So, and of course, I have to get a new color. So this is what it looks like. No update on this one. And one of my favorite pieces as well is the Curve Sports Bra, so I have to get it in another color, and it has to be a matching set in a terry color. So those are all the pieces I got. I have the Miracle leggings on the way. So if you want to see the try on, follow me on Instagram and stay tuned for a more in-depth review on the next video. So yeah, this collection launches on August 16, Saturday at 1 p.m. CST, and my code GEM not only saves you 10%, but it also helps me to keep working with the brand. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one.